Here are 5 fun facts about yellow lilies. Symbolism. Yellow lilies are often associated with happiness, cheerfulness, and gratitude. They are a popular choice for brightening up gardens and floral arrangements because of their vibrant color and positive symbolism. Varieties. There are several varieties of yellow lilies, including the popular Asiatic lilies and Daylilies. Each type has its own unique characteristics, but they all share the beautiful yellow hue. Growth and care. Yellow lilies are generally easy to grow and care for. They thrive in well-drained soil and prefer full sun to partial shade. Once planted, they can bloom annually with minimal maintenance. Edibility. Some parts of the lily, such as the petals, are edible and can be used in salads or as garnishes. However, caution should be exercised as other parts of the plant can be toxic to humans and pets if ingested in large quantities. Pollinators. Yellow lilies attract a variety of pollinators, including bees and butterflies. Their bright color and sweet fragrance make them particularly appealing to these beneficial insects, which help in the pollination process. And there you have it. Like, share, and leave a comment.